Hi, my name is Kerry McIntyre and I'm with Inaba Denko America, and today I want to go over our seismic restraint products. Here you have what we call a cross lock. These actually connect to pieces of threaded rod at the length that you will cut yourself, along with this piece of product here that's called a BGK-S. This product here that actually connects here with a spacer, and it's a dampener. With all this put together, under an issue like some type of earthquake or maybe some kind of ground movement, whatever that may be, when the equipment starts to shake, you'll notice this particular setup moves very little. And so this allows movement based on these spacers right here, these dampeners. And those dampeners take away any kind of stress that could be put on the actual threaded rod that could cause it to break. So this is what you need in any kind of a seismic active area that you're in. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way you won't miss any videos. For more information, follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and go to our website at inabadenko-america.com and download our catalog. Have a great day.